Suddenly I lost gear constant while I was riding the bike. I brought the bike home and took a look inside. I could understand the cause behind this problem. I used to put neutral while I was riding the bike, and it's for fuel saving. The method I used to start is putting the highest gear and release the clutch. Why did this cause the problem? It is the rever's impact on the nuts on clutch plate holder. Due to having the impact repeatedly for a long time, the nuts which hold the clutch plates starting to loose. So if you are doing this, don't do it again, as you see it is very bad for the engine.